Yes, that's right, it's Joe here for Joyrider TV. Today, I'm joined by Sevi, and we're a team known as the Six String Ramblers. We're going out for some round the rock action. Let's cut to the 1 minute.
40.
So what we're going to try to do is, with about 5 seconds to go, really get her up to speed. On the race course is none other than Simon Morgan, and I can see that he's going to be up to speed.
20.
Okay, if you come and sit back here, Sevi, pull the jib in, get ready to get on the wire.
Left, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, go.
Okay, and we're off, just sheeting a little bit more. And we're just going to try to keep the power on to start with. Nice, plenty of power there. There's the view behind. Nice, looks good. There's the view in front. There's Mr. Morgan dishing us out some dirty wind. So what we're going to do, if we don't get this adjust pretty soon. We just want to get a bit higher up, and then we should be able to get over the top of him. All right, Sevi, if you could just take the traveller line here. And main job with that is just to keep it away from the rudder, but also a bit of tidying up always helps. All right, pretty close at the moment. We haven't really got the amount of power that we need to stretch our legs, but I think we soon will. Bit of leg stretching coming up. There we go, a bit more power there, windsurfer. Okay, don't hit the windsurfers. Don't know if that was in the briefing. Okay. Okay, and I think what we'll do is once we get into the decent wind, we'll just crack off and start reaching and unleash the fury. That's what we're going to call it.
Yes.
And it looks like the fury might be on when we get to the red buoy. Oh, come on, wind. Okay, by the way, Sevi is a monohull sailor.
Yeah.
And
very confusing here.
Feeling quite confused and perhaps a little bit violated being on a catamaran. But you've got to do these things apparently.
Oh yeah.
Just like to give a big shout out to Office Hands Dave. Sadly couldn't be here at the moment.
Hey Dave!
All right, do you reckon you could ease out the main, the jib a little bit and the main traveller a bit as well? So, yeah, or I can get it if you want. Okay, yeah, that's good, yeah, lovely. Just pull it in a little bit to lock it, that's it. Okay, so here we go. This is what we could call the leg stretcher when we're into the good wind. Rudders feel a little bit heavy. I have been pounding bad boy 95 pretty hard of late, and she's been responding to that by wanting her another service for the rudders, which she has not had. I'm hoping it's going to feel a bit better on the other tack. All right, nice bit of wind. Here we go. Next gust coming up. Gonna stay high at the moment, stay in this good wind. There we go, opening her up a little bit more there. Bit more boat speed, looking good. Oh, bit of rudder stall.
Jib's good?
Jib's good, yeah, I think we could have it a little bit tighter. Right, bit of a hole coming up, we might have to, actually it should be all right. Quite a tight old fleet this. There's a Tiger up here as well. We're just, we've just climbed nicely to windward of the founder of Wild Wind Sailing Holidays, Simon Morgan. Which, you know, to be honest, I don't know why other people don't use this strategy to come up here, get the best wind, and then dial it off a little bit to open her up and see what she's got. Oh, bit of rudder stall again. Okay, boat nearest to us now is the German-Dutch team of Martin and John on a Hobie Tiger. Going pretty quick. But what they said about Bad Boy 95 is she's got it where it counts. Ugh, unless she doesn't. Thought that was going to be where it counts. Got a heavy gust up ahead by the looks of it. Unless it's a trick of the light. Heavy, yeah. Good speed there, I reckon. Another gust coming. Whoa. Okay, next gust. These gusts are queuing up just to give us a little push.
I call it the Greek domino.
Ah, okay, nice. Okay, do you reckon you could give the jib just a little bit more in? There we go. Oh, that was called Sevi, not hooked in.
Dinghy happy.
Yeah. But then on the dinghy, the trapeze doesn't kind of take itself away, I suppose. Okay, bit of a gust here. See what she's got. Okay, bit of a hole, then a gust very shortly afterwards. Okay, looks like we might be entering into the patchy zone, but there's always hope that we don't even have a patchy zone. We could just keep on flying. And as soon as we get into the patchy bit, that tiger behind is, I think they're eyeing up our rudders, and they don't want to see them anymore. So right now it's a bit of a game of can we predict what the wind is going to do? I can smell a bit of diesel coming over the mountain. That'll be one of the ferries that goes to Italy, I should think. So that means we're getting closer to Italy. All right, this might do anything. Who can say? There's a big hole coming up though, so get ready to jump forwards in the hole. And of course the tiger will just cruise through that hole. What's our wind direction? Kind of upwind, I think. All right, hold on a sec, Sebi. Another hole coming. And then quite a fierce looking gust, might be a wind shift as well. Okay, yeah. Next gust, please. And where is it? Come on, gust. Okay, we'll go for attack there.
Gerhard, all of a sudden.
Yeah, well, we have been waiting for some time. Oh man, this is painful. Oh, that's Martin. Okay, yeah, the wind wants us to attack, doesn't it? Okay, yeah, we'll go there. Here we go. Okay. Come on, boat. There we go. Yeah.
Oh, he didn't ground it yet.
No.
He has to go back and ground it.
Okay, you can let the jill off a bit now. Okay, so there it is, the rock. Second place to a tiger. Pretty stinky old bit of wind. And we'll just come away here enough to feel like we're getting away from the really stinky bit of wind. In fact, let's jibe there. You ready? Okay, and we'll go pretty deep downwind to start with. All right, so we've got an objective. Its name, Gerhard. We've got another objective. Its name, Martin behind. How are you feeling about these objectives, Sevi?
Totally agree.
Yeah. difficult going up against the bigger boats because they kind of just keep going through the lulls better. All right, I might go for a jibe here to stay in this gust. Yeah, you ready? And that'll just worry Gerhard a little bit as well, which I think it's all part of the game, isn't it? Woo! Okay, another jibe here. Yep. Here we go. Okay. Right, nice gust coming up behind us. Might have to jump back a little bit. The bows start twitching a bit. Come on, wind. That's it. A little bit more. And if we stay away from where Gerhard is, that place looks awful. Quite annoyingly, Simon's got a really good gust coming all the way from the back. Hi, Gerhard. Little roll reversal there. This is bonkers. Okay. We could be on. There we go. That restart has made the race much more interesting and whoa, potentially exciting. 2 tigers and a 16 in our little flock here. Bring it home.
Bring it home.
Okay, just hope the wind got the memo. Look behind. It's quite a good sight. Okay, we're going to come down a little bit in this one, I think. Okay, back into the good stuff. Does take the pressure off a little bit if the good stuff holds. Bit of patchy stuff just here. And it's kind of weird when we can't see a gust in front, it pays to go up a bit because the gusts first form closer to the mountain. And what we're looking for is to have stronger wind than anyone else for longer than anyone else. Is that too much to ask? Here we go. All right, we're going to slow down a little bit in a minute. For a minute, in a minute, for a minute. Oh, here comes the hole. There it is. hopefully just glide through. Great skills from Sevi. Moving in the lulls and then back out in the gusts. So we're harnessing the juice. I think when we get to the red buoy, then we'll make our broad reach for the finish line.
Leave the port and then up.
Yeah, I don't think this buoy's not on the course, is it?
The SEC.
Oh yeah, so that's all right. I see it. I've got it in our sights. I think it's going to be tight for second. I think Simon's trying everything with, I dare say that's Martin, he's snuck through.
Kind of a battle back there.
Yeah. Nice. Nice work, Sevi. Okay, so there we go.
Well done, Joe.
Nice one, Simon.
That was the finish, right?
Yeah.
Well done, you guys.
Okay, and it looks like the first tiger.
I think they missed the finish.
Yeah, I think they missed the finish, which means it's all there for Gerhard. Because maybe the finish line was between the orange and the black, or maybe it was between the orange and the other bit. Yeah, Gerhard's going that way.
Yeah, that might be.
Okay,
Maybe we didn't finish.
so there we go. Maybe we didn't finish, but we had a great time and we were just going out to stretch our legs.